Hey, look, there's another group of weary travelers coming down the road.
They're always looking for a meal and a place to rest.
Well, we'll just have to tell them we have no food to share.
The people of Old Town knew that weary travelers were also hungry travelers. So the townspeople went back to their homes and hid what little food they had left on their shelves. Meanwhile, the group of weary travelers made their way towards Old Town, hoping for a kind word, a good meal, and a place to rest.
Wouldn't it be nice if we could entice someone to feed us some bread? Wouldn't it be